my cup, but I take none. That's not love. Your screen stays dark when I walk near, like secrets need a shield from here. I hear your keys scrape past midnight. Same sound, different lies. You hum that tune like nothing's wrong, while I count the cracks in our soul. Your habits betray. My shirt inside out. You kiss my forehead every dawn, then vanish by the afternoon. I trace the scent on your color. Not mine, not rain, not smoke. You say it's stress, you say it's work, but your hands won't. Your head is betrayed. Not with a shout, but a sigh. Leave the tap running. Forget to lie. Your habits betray.